Today, we will be making a healthy breakfast tortilla with avocados. You will need carrot, red onion, olive oil, egg, spinach wrap, American cheese, baby spinach, ham, Parmesan cheese, avocado, and pepper. Begin by cutting the carrots and onions into thin slices. Add olive oil to a heated pan, then add the carrots and onions and sauté them. Move the carrots and onions to the side of the pan and add more olive oil to the center of the pan. Crack an egg in the middle of the pan. Cook and flip the egg depending on how you like your eggs cooked. Set aside the carrots, onions, and egg on a separate plate. Add the spinach tortilla to the same frying pan. Then add the American cheese, carrots, and onions. Cook until the cheese melts. Add the baby spinach, egg, and cut pieces of ham on top of the tortilla. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top, and you can plate the tortilla. Finally, add avocado dices and sprinkle some pepper on top.